So for this video I'm going to use yarn in two different colors. The yarn is in size 4 medium and the crochet hook is in size 4 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Then I will chain multiples of 10 plus 3. So I'll chain 33. Now on the fourth chain from the hook I'll make one double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make one double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make one double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make one double crochet. So I'll continue making one double crochet through each chain throughout row 1. Now to finish row 1 I will chain 1 and then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around. Then I'll use yarn in color B. Now right here through this first triple crochet chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make one single crochet. I'll chain 6 and this is row 2. Now I'll skip the next 2 chains and through these next 5 chains I'll make one single crochet through each chain. I'll chain 7. I'll skip the next 5 chains and through the next 5 chains I'll make one single crochet through each chain. Chain 7. Then I'll skip the next 5 chains and through the next 5 chains I'll make one single crochet through each chain. I'll chain 3, then through his last double crochet chain right here where the turning chain was I'll make one double crochet. I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Now right here through his first double crochet chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 4, then right here through this 3 chain loop I'll make one double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make one double crochet. Chain 1, then through this first single crochet chain I'll make one double crochet. Chain 1, I'll skip one chain and through a second chain I'll make one double crochet. Chain 1, I'll skip one chain and through a second chain I'll make one double crochet. Chain 1, then right here through a 7 chain loop I'll make one double crochet. Chain 1, then through the same 7 chain loop I'll make one double crochet. Chain 3, then through the same 7 chain loop I'll make one double crochet. Chain 1, through that same 7 chain loop I'll make one double crochet. chain 1, through his first single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, I'll skip 1 chain, and through a second chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, I'll skip 1 chain, and through a second chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, through a 7 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, through the same 7 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, then through the same 7 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, through the same 7 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, through his first single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, I'll skip 1 chain, and through a second chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1, I'll skip 1 chain, and through a second chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1. Now right here through this third turning chain I'll make 1 double crochet, I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. Now to finish row 3 I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Now for row 4 I'll turn my work around, then I'll use yarn in different color. Now right here through this first triple crochet chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now through that 1 chain loop I'll make 2 single crochet. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 5. Now I'll skip these next 3 1 chain loop, and through this fourth 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through his next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now through his 3 chain loop I'll make 5 single crochet. Through his next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through his 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 5. Then I'll skip these next 4 1 chain loops, and through his 5th 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through his next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now right here through his 3 chain loop I'll make 5 single crochet. Through his next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through his 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 5. Then I'll skip the next 4 1 chain loops, 1 2 3 4, and through his 5th 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through his next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. And then through his last loop I'll make 3 single crochet. I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 4. Now for row 5 I'll turn my work around. Now right here through this first single crochet chain I insert my hook, and insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now chain 7. Then right here through this 5 chain loop I'll make 5 triple crochet. I'll chain 3. Then I'll skip the next 4 chains, so 1 2 3 4, and through this 5th chain I'll make 1 treble crochet, chain 3, then through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 5 treble crochet, chain 3, skip the next 4 single crochet chains, so 1 2 3 4, and through this 5th chain I'll make 1 treble crochet, chain 3, then right here through this 5 chain loop I'll make 5 treble crochet, chain 3, then through his last single crochet chain I'll make 1 treble crochet, I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 5. Now for row 6 I turn my work around, then through his first treble crochet chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now right here through this 3 chain loop I'll make 3 single crochet, I'll chain 7, then through this 3 chain loop I'll make 2 single crochet, through his next treble crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet, through his next 3 chain loop I'll make 2 single crochet, chain 7, through his next 3 chain loop I'll make 2 single crochet, through his next treble crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet, through his 3 chain loop I'll make 2 single crochet, chain 7, now right here through his last loop I'll make 2 single crochet, and right here through his 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 6. Now for row 7 I'll turn my work around, then right here through this first single crochet chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through, chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3, then I'll skip this first single crochet chain, and through a second single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet, I'll chain 3, then through a 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch, chain 1, then through that same 7 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, then through the 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch, then right here through a 7 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, then through the 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch, chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, then through the third chain I'll make a slip stitch, then through the same 7 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, then through the third chain I'll make a slip stitch, chain 1. Now through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip 1 chain, and through a second chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip 1 chain, and through a second chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3. Through the third chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now right here through the 7 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, then through the third chain I'll make a slip stitch, chain 1, then through the same 7 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, then through the third chain I'll make a slip stitch, chain 1, then through the same 7 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, then through the third chain I'll make a slip stitch, chain 1, then through the same 7 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, then through the third chain I'll make a slip stitch, now through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip 1 chain, and through a second chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Skip 1 chain, through a second chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, then through the third chain I'll make a slip stitch, chain 1, then through a 7 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, then through the third chain I'll make a slip stitch, chain 1, then through a 7 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch, chain 1, then through the same 7 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, through the third chain I'll make a slip stitch, chain 1, then through the same 7 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, then through the third chain I'll make a slip stitch, chain 1. Now through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip 1 chain, and through a second chain, which is our last single crochet chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So now we just weave our ends in and we'll be done. So this is how our finished work looks. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.